Alright, today I'm gonna unbox another parcel that just arrived. So this will be a G-Shock that was released last month, but I only got a time to unbox this thing this month because I was so busy. So this will be the A6X G-Shock collaboration GSR-H1000AS set. Another one will be the DQD-5000J-1JF, a table clock, I would say, something like that. Okay, let's unbox this thing first. This will be the G-Shock ones, I believe. So let's open it up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. The reason why this watch is so expensive is because of this thing right here. This is Casio X-A6 motion sensor CMT S20R-AS. Since this is a collaboration with Casio and A6, this thing, alright, this is the star of the show. The watch is pretty much the same. You could achieve the same function of a lot of watch on the market, could do the same thing as what this watch could, but the star of the show today is this guy right here, because this watch could pair with this, and this whole sets could pair with your phone. So all these gears combined, what makes this thing great. All right, here's the total price for both of them. Okay, there's a lot of setup that I need to do here, but in this video I'm just going to show you guys what you're actually getting here. They are selling this thing as well, if I'm not mistaken, for about 16,000 Japanese yen something, or 17,000 something like that. So this thing is pretty expensive, by the way, and if I'm not mistaken, professional athletes use this. They use this thing more than they use all of the step tracking sensor you could watch. This thing is far more accurate because you could literally, I guess, hang this on your waist area. This is, I gotta say, for professional use. Alright, if you just want to lose weight, you could just go out and walk. And if you just want to run, just go out and run. So this is more of a marathon type of thing. I'm not a professional athlete whatsoever. I just like G-Shock, so that's why this thing is over here. I doubt that I'll be using this seriously, just so you know. But it is here. Oh, they even gave us a casing for this thing as well. Let's open it up. Yeah, just tear it open. Alright, let's see now if this thing falls down right. How can I plug this thing? Or there's a USB port down here to charge it up, of course. There's some O-ring down there to seal from water, so I guess you could wash this thing up after an exercise or a jog or a marathon. This thing looks like, oh yeah, it could be open. What this thing does though? Oh, it locked this thing. Alright, I just figured it out. Been trying to open it up. I guess this is on. There's a beep, 2 beep. Red light. I'm guessing the battery is low, so let me just charge this thing up over here using an already existing cable. What happened? Alright, red light. Alright, let's put this thing aside. Right, here's the casing. Really nice looking box, by the way. Same type of packaging as the usual GBD-H1000, and here is the watch. Alright, I'm getting a JDM version here, and I'm paying pretty much the same price like everyone else. And if you want to get one, like I always said, go to the link down in the description box, sign up, create an account to Buyee Japan, and then you can start shopping for yours right now. It is using the same cable as the GBD-H1000, so there's good. Now I have 2 of them. Rarely use this. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, last time I recharged my GBD-H1000 like almost half a year ago. That thing is practically undead, because it has solar charging. But this one, it didn't have that according to the manual. And here is something new. Let's see what this thing does. Is this, if I'm not mistaken, this goes to the strap, right, to provide some extra comfort. If you're gonna be doing marathon for like 2 hours straight, yeah, you want some comfort, and you just need to slide that thing. Wow. It looks exactly like the poster photo, by the way. I was expecting, you know, usually it has different kind of tone, color. The color might be a bit odd, a bit different. It looks exactly like shown in poster photo, and it looked great. It looked great. Really, really good. It represents the A6 sneakers, so that's why the color look the way it is. Not orange, not blue, not yellow. It's turquoise, right? I'm not sure if the material feels the same or not. Yeah, maybe it still feels the same. Mine have been abused quite for a while, so I can't really remember. But so far, the parts looks the same to me though. The wings, the strap feels, the buckle down here. The bezel looks different, right? Let me find the original parts. There we go. There's a run over here. This one has start-stop. The idea is still pretty much the same, but it is not the same thing. It is two different G-Shock watch. The rest is pretty much recycled, so that's why the price on it is high in my opinion. Wow. I have a feeling that this watch is a bit smaller though. It looks smaller because it didn't have that solar panel all around it. I guess Casio could miniaturize the size a bit. Yeah, feel a bit more compact. So wait, is this dead? Is this thing dead? Right, let's see what happened. Is it charging? If this thing breaks, man, I gotta send everything back to Casio. So I'm gonna test this thing out. Make sure that this thing actually works. Alright, there's nothing so far. Did I do this thing right? Alright, you guys could stop freaking out now. I apologize for not following the instruction as already being written on the sticker. All I have to do is press this lower right button for more than 1 second or more than one click and the watch will turn on. Apparently I cannot turn it back off again, so I cannot refilm the entire video. Instead, this will do. I apologize for my mistake. And apparently the watch didn't work like I expected. I'll cover all of that in the review video, but so far the strap, I gotta say, this wing really changed the game. This thing should go down here, right? This thing is made of silicone, so it is very flexible. I could force it up over here, force it over there, and lock it like that. If I wear this thing, oh wow! Holy! Just a little change like that, just these tiny accessories. Oh wow! Wow! It really holds on to your wrist, man. I'm really sweating off my wrist right now. Wow! Super comfortable. Whoa. It really holds on to your wrist. You have double wings now. 1, 2. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'll charge it up afterwards. I'll update you guys in the review video. I hope it works though. Right now, let's unbox another thing here. DQD-5000J. The reason why I bought this thing because it reminds me of the square G-Shock watch. This here is the manual book, DQD COM01, and we received 2 batteries for free, which is great. Thank you, Panasonic. Here is the table clock. Turn it up. There we go. This is how it looks like. Look at that. It looks exactly like a DW5600. But since it has wave sensor function built inside, it is like... Is there a square G-Shock with wave sensor but without solar? No, but kind of like a square G-Shock watch with solar wave sensor. Looks to it has the red accents. It is lacking the brick pattern on the side of it, which, yeah, quite a bummer. If it has that, then way better. Snooze alarm on, mode wave set the watch, reset the setting. So alarm number 2 setting, this is demo, this is the volume of the alarm I guess. So this is snooze and light function. The battery should goes down here. Let's test it out. Alright, it is working. It has the hydro. It has humidity rating and temperature rating as well. The lights glows in LED in blue colorway, so it is easy to the eye. And let's see now if I could, yeah, check this thing out. The price will be 49.50 yen, but I paid around 3,000 yen only because this thing is pretty old, so that's why I got it. Just gonna put it offside since this alarm clock that I have already ran out of battery, so it's about time that this thing arrived. Just perfect timing, two of them. But this one, not perfect timing at all, because Casio just announced the release of the other version that is far better than one of these. But that thing will go like 8,000 Japanese yen, something like that. It's far more expensive than one of these. So we have three price point now: 500. This will be 600. Another one, 800, which could do the same things, which could also pair to the sensor over here. So just depending on price budget. And so far I'm liking this though, because it looks so cool, this wing over here. Anyway, I'll charge it up. I'll cover all the details, all the rest of it in the unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to check Buyee Japan so you could get yours as well.